Hi there friends, and welcome to my channel Cat's Paw Canteen. I'm Kenny, and today we're going to be making a delicious hamburger. For those of you who don't know, I currently live in Europe. More precisely, I live in Italy. And Italy has amazing pizzas, pastas, and all sorts of other dishes, but quite frankly, I have been very homesick for a while and been craving a good, juicy, classic burger. And quite recently, I've been thinking to myself, when's the last time I had a good burger? And there's McDonald's, there's Burger King's, and several other American-themed burger joints or barbecue joints here in Italy. But in all honesty, it hasn't been hitting the spot for me. And I've been growing more and more homesick when I think about hamburgers. In all honesty, I think the very last really good burger I had was the burger that my dad made us when my daughter and I visited our family back in Arizona. So today I'm going to be making a video on making a classic burger. And I know everyone and their grandmother has a rule or secret recipe for their own family's classic burger, but today I'm going to be making my own variation of the classic burger, and I hope you like it as well. So come follow me into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make my classic burger. Alright, let's introduce some of the ingredients that we're using today. Sky, what's this?
Meat.
Meat, yeah. This is ground beef. This is 80-20 beef. And as for the seasoning that I'm going to put on it, I'm going to be using salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, Sky, so what do we have here?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Onions.
Salad.
Salad. This is lettuce. Okay. And we got some pickles for our burgers. You love pickles, huh?
I want one pickle.
You want one pickle? Okay. And as for the condiments, I'm keeping it simple. I'm not making a special sauce or anything. I'm just using mayo, ketchup, and yellow mustard. Classic. And of course, I like my burgers cheesy, so I'm using American cheese and medium cheddar as well. As for the buns, now it's quite unfortunate, but this is the only type of bun that they sell at the commissary here. I actually prefer like potato buns and whatnot, but they don't have those. But you know, this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. All right, let's go ahead and start prepping the beef and make it into patties. Okay, so as for the beef, I'm going to use a big portion for myself and a small portion for Sky. Now the rule that I've learned when making burgers at home is make your patties about 20% bigger than the buns that you're using. So I'm flattening this out, and once we put it on the frying pan or griddle that you use or iron skillet, it's going to shrink down. Now that I've shaped the patties, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the freezer. That way it maintains the shape while cooking. Now that 10 minutes are up, go ahead and start heating your frying pan. Add just a touch of oil. Times like this, I wish I had a Blackstone or a big griddle. It's the biggest frying pan I have. Alright, get your patty that's been in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Go ahead, season. Try not to burn your arm hairs off. I got the fire going at a medium high right now. And just a touch more seasoning there. And then place down. Want to hear that sizzle. And we're going to season the other side as well. Season my daughters. And go ahead, lay that down too. Oh, already running out of space. You want to see good color on your patties, so don't touch it that often. Don't be swinging it around, flipping it upside down, all that jazz. Just leave it be for a bit. You're going to cook both sides for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And then flip. Yep, that's a good color. And go ahead and place some cheese on it. And the American cheese as well. I can see that the cheese is starting to melt on there, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off the stove. Add in a touch more oil in there, and I like to lightly toast my buns. Alright, buns are good to go, so let's go ahead and start prepping these. Already got my fries ready. Let's get the buns out. As for the fries, I'm just using some frozen ones because I'm focusing just on the hamburger itself today. As for the rule on how I stack my burger, I kind of mix and match the toppings. So this is the bottom bun right here. Bottom bun, I always put a little bit of mayo. I'm using Kewpie mayo today. And the bottom bun, I always put the lettuce down. Then 2 slices tomatoes. Then stack the patty on top of that, then the onions, then some pickles, and on the top bun I'm going to squirt a little bit of ketchup and some mustard, and that's it. Go ahead and place that on the top, and there you have it, a nice juicy classic burger made in the comfort of your own home. Alright, so dinner is served, so I'm gonna start digging in here. And before I forget, itadakimasu. Nice, juicy, has a really good crust to it too. I have been missing a good American burger for a while, and I feel right at home. Yep, take another bite here. Now I know a lot of people out there are saying that's not how to make a burger, this is the correct way, that's the correct way. Hold your horses, this is just my way of making it. I know you probably have a lovely way of making it as well, but I'm just saying I miss America, I miss home, and I missed a good burger. Plus I have a lot of American friends here who miss a good burger, and some Italian friends here who want to learn how to make a good burger. And it's a good record for my daughter on how to make a good juicy burger. I hope your friends enjoyed this recipe as much as I did, and if so, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back at the canteen real soon.